I'm going to talk to you about how to prepare for your GCSE maths exam and your mock exam. In our maths GCSE, there's two final papers. There's no coursework, there's no controlled assessment, so the result is just going to come out of two final papers, one non-calculator and one calculator paper. It's absolutely essential that students are really well prepared, both for their mock exams and for their GCSE exams. We will make predicted grades that the sixth forms will see based on the results of those mock exams. The first thing that you can do to help is to make sure that the students are really well prepared in terms of equipment. We have a lot of students who don't bring their scientific calculators to school every day, don't bring a protractor or a pair of compasses, and they really need these tools. They're the tools that they need to learn their maths. If you don't have a scientific calculator, you don't get used to a scientific calculator, you're unlikely to get the grade that you are capable of in that final exam. They're available to buy from the school shop. They're also available from any of the usual retailers, for example Amazon or WH Smith. To revise maths, you just have to do it. You have to do lots of past paper questions. What often happens to students is that they get quite competent about being able to do a skill such as solving equations, but they're competent in the context of that lesson. And what happens in exams is that question 1 is on one topic, question 2 is on a completely different topic. So the only way students are going to be able to be prepared and ready for that situation is to do lots and lots of past papers. We would recommend doing at least 2 past papers every week. All of this is available on the school website. You can click through, find the past paper links. You can also find revision schedules, topic lists, etc. Any revision guides that seem appropriate to your students are going to be useful. All the GCSEs in maths that exist have the same topics in them, so if you've got a revision guides at home for a different exam board, that doesn't matter, they're going to be just as useful. Just need to make sure that they are intended for GCSE maths. You can use websites such as BBC Bitesize. We have the MathsWatch app. All students have that on their iPads. You can see the login details on the screen in front of you. MathsWatch consists of hundreds of short videos explaining every single different topic. They're really useful for independent learning. Some students find flashcards with important facts. So if you find that you're always forgetting, for example, how to calculate the area of a circle, write that on a flashcard, stick it somewhere you're going to see it every day, keep testing yourself until you always get the right answer. Don't just leave it at that, come back to it 2 weeks later and then make sure you still know that formula. So thank you very much and good luck with your GCSEs.